Hi guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we're gonna make chicken scarpariello. It's in my Fabulicious cookbook. So I have all the ingredients laid out, so let's get started.
Oh my God. I'm not eating them.
Not cook fully, I'm gonna put them in the Sunday sauce.
Oh my God, stop! Oh my God.
All right, go up. So I'm gonna start sauteing the sausage first, right here in the pan. And I have the water boiling. It calls for, I'm making it with orzo. So the water is boiling right here. So I'm gonna pour, and it takes one package of it. So I'm putting that in here. The water's already boiling. Okay, let me stir that in. So I'm gonna add some olive oil right here to the bottom of the pan. And now we're gonna take, I have hot sausage and sweet sausage, so I'm just gonna cut it up with a scissor and put it in the pan right here. You could cut them into chunks or however big or small you like. So you're gonna get these fried up, just like until golden brown. I'm gonna get a lid for it. Splashing all over me. Okay, like that. So now I'm gonna chop up the garlic right here. Okay. I love this dish. It is a classic Italian dish, but I love it because it has a lot of protein. Now I'm gonna cut the red bell pepper. And this is all gonna get combined in the pan. Yeah, you just cut the end of the red bell pepper, and then you just slice it up like this and take out the seeds. Just like that. So I'm just gonna transfer the sausage to the plate right here. Okay. Okay, so the orzo is done. I'm just gonna shut this off right here. So now in this pan, I'm gonna add olive oil, just like that. And I'm gonna add the onion, the garlic, and the red bell pepper. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm gonna cut up the chicken right here into little cubes. Cut off any excess fat. So like, cut it up into little cubes like this. Okay. Just cut off any fat. Like this. You know, growing up, my dad would make more of sausage and peppers. And this was me making more, combining the chicken with the sausage, because it's like a more classic recipe that you do see in all Italian restaurants. And you know what you could also add to this? You could add sliced potatoes. That will taste delicious. The chicken, the sausage, and the potatoes instead of the orzo. But my recipe, I cooked it with the orzo. So now we're gonna add the chicken to the pan. Okay. So now we're gonna just toss this in the pan all together. So you have the olive oil, the onion, the garlic, the red bell pepper, and the chicken. I'm gonna cover this so it just cooks better. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna start with the hot cherry peppers. And if you could also add more peppers to this. You could add all the different colors, the green peppers, the orange peppers, the yellow ones, and make it more colorful. So I just added the hot cherry peppers. Or you don't have to add any hot cherry peppers. Okay, now we're gonna add the chicken stock and white wine. Okay, so now we're gonna add the thyme, the sage, the oregano. So thyme, okay, sage, and oregano. Okay, like that. And I'm gonna have black pepper, like that. And so I'm not adding salt because the chicken broth has enough sodium in it. And the last ingredient is balsamic vinegar. Okay, and then you just let this all cook together. And I like to cover it so it absorbs all the juices. And then we're gonna add, and then the last thing to do is add the sausage. Okay, so now we're gonna let that cook and simmer, so about another 3 minutes, and I can't wait to show you after it's plated. I love orzo because it's a mix between rice and pasta, and we know how Louis loves his rice, and we know how my girls love their pasta, so orzo is right in between. You could always make extra orzo, and then you could add it to like your salad instead of like a couscous, so orzo is great and it's very filling. So this, along with the chicken scarpariello, is like plenty. And it makes a great meal for dinner. Okay. Okay, this looks delicious. And it makes a great filling meal, and your family is gonna love it. Okay, it's good enough right now. Just like that. Okay, and we will garnish it with some parsley. Here you go. This is chicken scarpariello. Mangia bene. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel, and see you again.